Hi. You got the hiccups? Where are you going? You're going so fast. Who is that? Who is that? Huh? Uh-oh. You got the hiccups. Okay, you can come over here. Where's Alex? Where's Alex? Peekaboo! Where's Alex? Peekaboo! Where is she? Peekaboo! 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 You think if you just... Where is she? Where is she? Oh, peekaboo! Watch this, Alex. Watch this. Oh. Please don't pull that off the table. Those hiccups are really tearing you up, aren't they? Yeah, that's Grandmother Cheney. Grandmother Cheney. Hi.
Hi.
Grandmother Cheney. You got the plastic. You got the plastic. What are you doing with that plastic? Hey, Alex. What you doing with that plastic? Alex, I love you. I love you, baby. You can tear that up all you want. Say, get off me, plastic. You want to come over here with me? You want to come over here with me? You just wanted to use me to pull up, maybe? Uh-oh.